Good morning, 7th grade ELT. Today for ELT, the first thing you're doing is getting some practice adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers. So your first four addition are pretty basic, and then you get into problems like number 6, adding two negative numbers. So something we can do to think about number 6 is with models. So this is like, I owe $6 to my mom. I owe $6 to my dad. I don't have any money. I only have negatives, and total I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 negatives. So negative 6 plus negative 6 is negative 12. Number 7 and number 9 work that same way. Number 8 and number 10 are a little bit different. This time I owe $4 and I have 8. So when I pay back my $4, I have a remainder of $4 left. So negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4. When you get into subtraction, it's important to remember whenever you see this, you make that into one positive sign. So I have negative 1 plus 2. And that gives me a positive 1. For number 12, same thing. Since I have minus a negative, I need to turn that into plus a positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm left with 2 positives. After you finish this page, it's more practice adding and subtracting positives and negatives. When we look at number 18, this is positive 4, take away 8. This is like I have $4, I'm taking away 8. So one way to look at a problem like this would be the number line. So I have 4. I'm taking away 8, so I'm going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and I would land at negative 4. After you do that, the next thing you're going to do is get some practice adding fractions and mixed numbers. So, whenever we have fractions, I like to write them vertically like this. And step 1 would be to check, do my fractions have the same common denominator? If not, I have to make them have the same common denominator. So 5 and 6 would have a common multiple of 30. 6 times 5 gives me 30. Whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So I'm just multiplying my fraction by the number I need to make the common denominator be 30. So this fraction I multiply by 5, because 6 times 5 is 30. This fraction I multiply times 6 times 5 times 6 is 30. Once I have my common denominator, I add up my numerators. 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6. I get 67 over 30. You might be saying, oh, this is an improper fraction, I would never just finish here, and you're absolutely right. So I need to simplify my fraction into a mixed number. 30 goes into 67 twice. And I'm left with 2 7/30. So number 22, 24, and 23, just try your best. They're not that bad. Thank you for your hard work today. If you haven't finished any assignments from last week or this week and you finished this early, please do that now. Thank you.